content. So you guys, there is a part that you didn't see. We went out, we bought some food. Right now we are going to be cooking. I'm at Shaki, my love. I actually always confuse you. I'm going to be introducing you to her. Please, our goal this month is to take her up to 1,000 subscribers. And if you can help me, go to her channel, subscribe, and always go back to watch her content. That would be the best thing you would have done for me. I'm going to introduce her to you, but make it the point that you go visit her channel. We are going to be cooking. Right now we're at her home. Please, first of all, introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi, this is Shaki, my love. Thank you for being here. Actually, thank you for supporting. Why am I even forgetting?
Tanya.
Okay. Thank you for supporting Tanya's energy, guys. It's not easy to create and to be this consistent, but he has been there. So I'm Shaki, my love, and I have a channel just like he has told you. But right now, we are going to do collaborations. We have a lot of videos coming, but right now we are going to be preparing a meal for us.
Definitely. What is this machine?
So this is a pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Yeah, it is multi-purpose. So I don't want to use a gas. Actually, my gas is done, and I don't have a cooker right now. So I'm going to use this, and we're going to prepare rice in this rice cooker. So this one, it is multi-purpose. It can prepare porridge, soup, any soup, meat, beans, rice, and any.
This is a good thing.
Yeah, so it is multi-purpose. You can prepare anything you want from here, even matoke actually.
Matoke.
Yes.
That's nice.
So yeah, I'm going to prepare beef. We are going to prepare beef and
rice. So you guys, that's what we are doing right now. We are actually waiting for another person who's going to be a surprise to you. Definitely when she comes in, we shall be, introducing her to the vlog. But that's what we are doing currently. We are going to just continue cooking as we chat about life of being content creators. Yeah. So I think I'm going to just fix you guys here as we continue talking. Yeah.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level.
Do you have anything to say?
Thumbnail.
Do you have anything?
Guys, subscribe to our channels. Subscribe.
Do you have anything to say?
It's a vlog.
It was a vlog.
Yeah. Oh, you guys subscribe to her channel, please, and to my channel. I'm Tanya Shylock and Superwoman SC. All the information is going to be in the description box. All the information is going to be in the description box below.
True. Hey guys, today is Saturday. I've just taken a shower, and I have a friend. She's a YouTuber, and she made 20k subscribers, and she's throwing a party. So she's celebrating, and she invited me. So from showering, I'm going to prepare myself. I'm going to do my makeup quickly, simple one, and then I'm going to dress up and then go. I'm going to take you with me. So hope you enjoy.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hey guys, this is quite what I'm going for. So I'm going to dress up. So hey guys, this is quite what I'm going for. I'm going to dress up because I'm late, really late, and then I'm off. Hey guys, so I'm done. This is my outfit. So this is what I'm putting on. I'm going to throw on this jacket because it might get cold. So yeah, that is what I'm putting on. That is my outfit. This pink bucket cap matching with these pink accessories or designs on my jacket. I'm putting on my boyfriend, yeah, and then this crop top. Yeah, that is all. See you in a bit. I hope I get a clear picture of what I'm putting on. Oh, I'm also putting on all stars. Yeah, so that is it. So guys, I wanted to give you a clear one. So this is my makeup. This is what I'm going for. I'm putting on these danglers. I got them on my birthday. I'm also putting on this. Then yeah, that is it. So right now I'm just leaving. So right now I'm just leaving and I feel sleepy guys. I don't know why, but I'm just leaving. I'm going to call Amito and then she gives me the directions because girl child is late. I'm really late, but I hope I'll be there in time. Bye.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Mitos, look at her, she's glowing.
You're almost eight.
Who will tell it to you the way it is.
Period.
I cannot hide nothing. for the life of a Mito that she cannot project on social media, I know. So if you handle me well, I tell you. You get it? So we're going to get this started. You tell us a little bit about yourself, what you do, where you stay, and how you know Amito, like in 1 second. You get it? So let me spin.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I